After the end of the Middle Kingdom comes a time of decline called the Second Intermediate Period that spans from dynasty number 13 till the end of dynasty number 17. This period represents a turning point in the history of Egypt, because for the first time Egypt was invaded and occupied by foreign rulers who came from the Levant, known as the Hyksos. Then, with the expulsion of the Hyksos, begins the New Kingdom that represents the peak of Egyptian civilization, with household names such as Nefertiti, Tutankhamun, and Ramesses the Great. And the Egyptians learned the Hyksos lesson and expanded their boundaries to create the strongest empire in the east of its time that stretched from the Euphrates to the middle of Sudan.